In regulated manufacturing, fatigue risk is easy to miss until it's too late. We've seen fatigue quietly drive deviations, batch loss, and quality events across 24/7 production teams. When teams are tired, errors increase and focus slips, especially on night and rotating shifts. The cost? Downtime, rework, and compliance exposure. Circadian helps plant, quality, and HR leaders reduce this risk before it impacts your product, your people, or your audit posture. Our solution brings together data-driven fatigue modeling, smarter shift planning, and training for your frontline teams. The result? Safer shifts, improved morale and performance, and fewer headaches for quality and compliance. If shift work fatigue is a concern, or you suspect it should be, let's talk. We'll show you how pharma manufacturers are reducing fatigue-related incidents and improving audit readiness without adding headcount.